Welcome to 1 Minute Science. We're looking at exam technique, we're looking at the numbering of questions. In this example, it's a question about a walker who's been walking on thin ice, fallen through, and the core body temperature has dropped. The question here, part 2, is part of C, part 1 and part 2. So that means this question here relies on information in the stem of the question and may relate to information in here. Let's have a look at it. It says, the walker is much more likely to die of hypothermia than someone who has not been drinking alcohol. Explain why. Well, in the question before, it told us that alcohol causes changes to blood vessels supplying the skin capillaries, making the skin look red, and that's because arterioles supplying the capillaries dilate and more blood flows through the capillaries. So, why are you more likely to die of the cold? Well, the answer is,
if you've got more blood flowing through, you're going to have more heat lost. I know that question is relying on that answer, which is also linked to that stem of the question.
So, why are you more likely to die of hypothermia? Because you've got more blood flow, resulting in
more
heat lost, which is going to lower your body temperature. What the examiner's report noted from the year when this appeared in the end of year exam was that students had taken this as a standalone question, not linking it to this answer or the stem of the question, and had simply written that if you've been drinking alcohol, you're more likely to die of hypothermia if you fall into a lake through thin ice because you're drunk and you can't climb out. Not correct. You should be clicking on to the structure of the question.